How to wear your Misty Kit face mask. So now that we've completed our mask kit, I'm going to show you how you put it on. So again, the side that is going to be toward your face is the side with the little opening. I'm going to just keep that shut. I don't have anything inside there, but you can, as I mentioned, put some filter or something, some extra material if you'd like. And I am going to lift my fleece ribbon up over my head. Just slide it down around my neck. And I'm going to take the top portion of the mask where the fleece is laced through and just lay that right underneath, for me, right underneath my glasses, so that it's across the bridge of my nose and across my cheeks. And then I'm going to hold these two fleece strips on the right and left side and pull them up over my head, in the back of my head, and then I'm going to close the toggle button so that I can slide it toward my head until it fits snugly. And then you just leave it there. And you can see that it holds it nice and tight, but because this fleece is very soft, it's also very comfortable. It doesn't have to sit over your ears, so there's no friction there. And it sits very nicely and snugly across the bridge of your nose and your cheeks. Because you made these side strips to cinch the fabric on the right and left, it keeps it nice and snug to your face, even under the chin. And it creates a decorative way to go out and be safe. In addition to being a functional mask, we wanted it to be a little fun too. Being Misty Kit, we had to create it as a kit. So it's a great way to involve your kids, get them to make their own mask and feel like they had a part in helping to create it, and give them some fun patterns and colors to choose from. We have tested our masks for washability. You can wash these masks in hot water with detergent, and you can dry them in the dryer on a hot setting as per recommendations to make sure that you keep your mask clean after every outing. And the only thing I would recommend is use some sort of mesh bag so that the strips don't get tangled up in other things. So you use that to put your mask in when you're washing and drying. Many blessings to all. Take care out there. For more information, go to www.mistykit.org or call us at 978-419-1824.